A flash flood emergency has been issued for New York City for the first time ever as Tropical Storm Ida moved throughout the area. It dropped in a historic amount of rainfall, causing Mayor de Blasio to issue a state of emergency. More than 60% of New York City's subway system is underground, causing a lot of problems for the trains. Because of this, service was completely suspended. This has only happened a handful of times in New York City history. As you can see here, many of the underground stations were completely flooded, making very dangerous conditions for New Yorkers as they attempted to make it home after a busy day. This station suffered a lot of damage as both the wall and ceiling collapsed in this area. MTA staff, FDNY, and NYPD made numerous rescues throughout the New York City subway system. There were small electrical fires burning in several subway stations.
Oh shit.
Be safe out there. We really do hope everyone is okay. If you did enjoy the video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.